In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive for Desktop to quick access in Windows File Explorer, so you can easily access your Drive files right from the navigation pane. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to make sure that you have Google Drive for Desktop installed on your computer and that you're already signed in to your account. This ensures that all your Drive files are synced and ready for access. Once you've confirmed this, we can move on to making it even more accessible through quick access in File Explorer. Now go ahead and open File Explorer. Here, you'll want to locate your Google Drive folder. Generally, this folder appears under This PC, or you might see it represented by a drive letter, like G, in the left-hand navigation pane. It might look slightly different depending on how your system is set up, but it should be fairly straightforward to find. Once you've got your Google Drive folder in sight, this is where it gets simple. With the Google Drive folder showing in the list, right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up. From this, you'll want to select the option that says Pin to Quick Access. By doing this, you're basically creating a shortcut that places your Google Drive right front and center under the Quick Access section every time you open File Explorer. Clicking on this shortcut will now immediately take you to your Google Drive folder, making navigation quick and efficient. There we are. You've successfully added Google Drive to your quick access menu. This small adjustment can save you a lot of time because you won't have to dig through folders to access your Drive files each time you open File Explorer. Just a single click on your pinned Google Drive folder will get you there immediately. Now, there's an optional step I want to mention for those of you who might appreciate a bit more customization. If you prefer not to have the Google Drive folder auto-added by the application itself, you have the choice to change this setting. Start by opening the Google Drive client on your desktop. Once open, click on the Settings, often represented by a gear icon, and head into Preferences. Within the Preferences menu, click on Settings, and here you'll find an option labeled Show Google Drive in Quick Access in File Explorer. Uncheck this option if you want to stop it from auto-pinning, giving you more control over what appears in Quick Access. And that's it. You now have all the tools you need to access your Google Drive from your desktop quickly and effortlessly. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps streamline your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.